Good morning. We're heading to do something really fun today. Our family was invited to see the premiere movie of David. If you've been following me on Instagram, you know that our family, we have been avid watchers of The House of David. It's a TV series about the story of David and Goliath. It has been so fun for our kids to watch. Cody, do you have your sling? Where is it? Okay, go get it so you don't forget it. I'm on my way to go pick up the kids from school, and then we're gonna head right on down to the event.
Hi, Nigel.
They're ponies?
They're miniature horses.
They're miniature horses. It's so cute. I mean, I don't want to get too close to the one in front of him.
I like them.
That's awesome. Oh, they're like fluffy.
Good doggy. Who's a good doggy?
He's a good dog. Yeah, a little
They're
bit.
so dang soft.
Yeah, the buffalo.
Who's a good doggy?
We're here at the premiere of David, and the boys had to bring their slings that they know actually how to use, right? How far can you throw with that? 100 yards easy, maybe 150. Very cool. So since it was David premiere, they had to bring them just cause. You got to be packing.
I didn't realize they were feeding us like dinner, so take a stand at the table. Look at all this. Yummy,
Everything has a name.
food.
I love it.
Okay, so
Slingshot chicken,
sheep's meadow green salad.
green beans of courage. We'll need lots of those.
Okay, that's actually so cute.
And I like the slingshot chicken. Cody knows. Austin knows. Victory gravy, buddy. That's victory gravy. But you better grab some potatoes and some beans and fill that plate up.
We have our seats. We have our food, which is so fun to be able to eat in the theater.
Has now released 15 films in theaters. And an industry leader said The Angel is the highest grossing per title average of all independent studios in the United States.
Did you bring me a donut? Yes. Yee-hoo! Ew.
You saw Todd?
I saw that picture. I sent it to my aunt.
Well, I walked in and I was asking the girls, I'm like, is Todd here? They're like, who? I'm like, Todd. And they're like, I don't know a Todd. Excuse me? And they're like, oh, we just started. I'm like, of course you did.
Yeah,
you would know Todd.
You would know Todd.
Been running this show for a decade now. It was so fun seeing him.
Good.
He was excited. And we had Kate with us and Cash with us.
Oh, so fun. Well, I've just been up,
Sourdough.
same with you, sourdoughing it up, watching videos. I watched Julie's video and laughed my head off because the way I thought I was making sourdough, and then I watched hers and I'm like, wait, you're speaking Spanish. So Julie's the queen. I am the scum of the earth, but
Scum of the earth.
I always tell my kids do not touch these, and I just leaned into them. Gosh dang it, Bonnie.
Did you make some juice?
Yesterday I did.
Did it work?
Yeah.
Handle sticky. Who used a handle last time?
You just mind your own business, please.
Dad, can we make some?
Where are you going to put that tree, Griswold?
But I'll show you.
You got a lot of nerve talking to me like that.
I was talking to you.
Oh, Chevy Chase's Christmas. What it's not called. I seriously was like, oh, they're playing National Lampoon's Christmas Vacation. She's like, what's that?
What? What?
I'm like, okay.
Chevy Chase's?
Guess we don't know the real name.
Link, you should turn on the light.
This light, this one. Turn on. Oh, baby, look at those lights. Holy
I
cannoli.
prefer when I can't see. It's better that way.
There you go. That's nice. That's nice. Very nice. We had a really early morning at the temple. Super fun. Cousins got to come. Neighbors got to come. So fun.
Now the kids are late for school.
Yeah.
Worth it. Hashtag worth it.
So we're tag teaming. Getting you ready.
Yeah, we're tag teaming, getting Olivia ready. The boys are already ready. Are you guys ready?
Hashtag being late is great. I wrote that. I've trademarked that.
Good morning. I've got my starter going. I have my bread that I have done. All the things that I'm going to do to it for today. And it's just going to sit all day long now. So I've got all my bread stuff taken care of. Got the kids off to school. I got some laundry. Oh, actually, you know what? I've rotated the laundry, but towels usually take 2 things to dry. So I'm going to turn the dryer back on. Now what I should be doing, I'm going to show you what I should be doing. I should be tackling this pile of laundry. I should be tackling these piles of laundry. I should be tackling this pile of laundry. And I also should be tackling this laundry. But that is not what I'm going to be doing today. It's not what I'm going to be doing today. If Joel works late, I'm going to be doing this tonight while I'm like waiting for him to come home. What I am going to be doing today, so I'm going to close this door and I'm going to pull out some inventory, if you get my drift, and I'm going to spend the afternoon in this closet. That's what I'm going to be doing. I need to go downstairs and grab some supplies. But what I think is so funny is I Marco Polo'd Julie today, and she said she was doing the exact same thing. We must be sisters or something. Took a little break to cook my bread. This didn't turn out very great. I think it was too low. Anyway, it's fine. I think it's really cute, and I don't care what it looks like. I just want it to taste good. Gosh, it's such a nice day to cook in the kitchen. I just pulled into the parking lot and Joel, I just saw his car or his truck and trailer over there and I literally got butterflies.
Start swimming, Code. There you go. Shake that leg. There you go.
We were supposed to end the night by doing taxes, Mr. Yeah, you still have to do taxes. Joel saw the dead flies up in that thing. Now, I don't understand how it's so... Oh, I see.
It's been 2 years since I put this up, so I don't remember.
Okay. Well, ew, I don't want to know. I don't want to know.
There's no flies, just dust bunnies.
For real? Hey,
Just
that's
dust
not
bunnies.
bad.
It's not bad.
Should we take it out to the garage?
Probably.
Yeah. Is it heavy?
No.
Do you need me to? Okay.
Got it. I don't want to move any sudden movements and put all that in the air.
So if that's dusty, that means I should take the vacuum and like vacuum up here, you know, but
Do you want me to grab the other one too?
yeah,
Here, come grab this one.
because I was doing sourdough and I was frustrated and I was doing a stretch and fold and I was holding it up tight and then I got a little impatient and I flipped it.
So stretch and fold, you mean stretch and flip?
All right, well, this is how we're going to close the vlog. So thank you guys so much for watching. We hope you enjoyed the video, and we'll see you in our next one. Bye, guys. Happy Friday. Here is what an average week looks like for me. Typically on Mondays, I am editing Wednesday's vlog. On Tuesdays, I typically edit Friday's vlog. On Wednesdays, I'm going to be editing Monday's vlog. Thursdays are whatever I need them to be. Sometimes Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday don't go according to plan, and so I need a day to shift things around. Sometimes I need a dedicated filming day. Sometimes I need a dedicated email day. Sometimes I need a nap. And then Friday, my beautiful Friday. If I can convince Joel to take a Friday off, we will have a date during the day, because Friday nights are typically reserved for running our kids around. That's just what it's become. Now Saturdays, oh, I love Saturdays. During the week, Joel is typically doing contracted out work, but he tries not to work on Saturdays. We spend the day as a family, and it always looks different, and sometimes I film it and sometimes I don't. And on Sundays, we go to church, we take naps, we cook food, and we don't film. I hope you have a great weekend.